Good day, my name is Manuel Noguera Diaz. My activity 3 purchase process. Check the 9 tips to improve purchasing in the next link. The tips, the next tips, supply chain ace wise to improve purchasing. Tips number 1, centralize purchasing. 2, plan for purchase. 3, focus on quality. 4, purchase locally. 5. Build long-term supplier relationship. 6. Explore outsourcing some purchasing. 7. Understand your inventory carrying cost. 8. Base supply chain management on real-time demand. 9. Negotiating constantly. Make a window push to improve operational efficiency. Yes, make a presentation oral and write. Include at least 5 of the 9 tips talking about how we're going to change the purchasing process in your company. Okay, my tips is the next. Number 1, first create a database with the providers more innovation and efficient of the market. Of these from we can be to the forefront and meet the customer needs. Number 2, create the department of supply in order to focus on purchase of the products. We have to look real needs on the market and the season. Number 3, we can minimize the cost in storage because we will have an historical value in the rotation of the products. We should make a regular monitoring to this process. Number 4, then we're going to generate propose to partner with a provider to long term in order to maintain great benefits like good cost, taking a rotation inventory, much more agile and efficient. Number 5, next check documents of accreditation quality because our allies have to have an ISO certification correct. This allows our organization is more competitive in aspect of quality and service. Number 6, after that, structuring the system of promotion for our customers. However, we have to negotiate the amount of the products according to the quality and price, improving the competitiveness according to the market price. Number 7, finally, the rotation of the product will be based on planning, organization, rotation, quality, and cost with which we are manage our inventory. The second video with your presentation, be sure on include the last 10 sentences using going to, will, countables and uncountables nouns, much and money. And usually the providers have materials that will be delivered to the end customer to the placement of the product. How many days call the customer pay the bills? The supply chain has to adapt to change market based on observation. It has to meet the minimum weight for the dispatch of the merchandise to the San Juan de Pasto city is 3 tons. When you purchase, need to choose from right away how many items requires and then the item of the inventory. 6. We will use study how to identify how much effort is used in each process to improve future outcomes. The organization has to have an area of storage very broad for to adapt the products going to discharge. Each of the providers is important in the supply chain, but how many of them are the best? In the future, we will strengthen the relationship with our providers because they generate or use profits and also the change to know in money process we need to improve. It will be possible to have a higher performance in each process is strengthen the convenience to sales. This is my activity. Goodbye.